Okay, let's see here. Flashlight. Check. Whoopee cushion. Check. Donuts.
Check.
Of course. Dino remote control. Andy, did you bring the dino remote control?
Yeah, I'm sure I brought it.
No, I think you should go back to the RV and check.
Fine.
We may need it. Making Andy mad. Check.
Need some sort of donut drink anyway.
Donut drink, sure. But don't forget the dino remote control. Donut drink.
Get my dino drink and AJ's dino remote control. What are you coming here for?
Dino remote control.
All right. Dino remote control. Dino remote. Let's see. That's not it, but we could use it. Ooh. Extra, just in case. Dino remote. Dino remote. Dino remote, where would I be? Dino remote, that is not you. Oh, that's it. Perfect. Oh, donut drink. Dino dinner. More like Andy's lunch. That's delicious. Back to work. Dino remote, I got the dino remote. Look what I found, your dino remote that we're probably not gonna use. Let's go.
You're looking a little green there, Park Ranger. You feeling okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm good. I'm not sure about that donut drink.
Donut drink? Park Ranger Andy, that was Dino DNA!
Dino D and what?
Dino DNA! One sip will turn you into a dinosaur! How much did you drink?
The whole beaker?
The whole thing? Why would you even drink anything from a beaker?
I was parched from all those donuts.
I was afraid of that. The Dino Reversal Serum is our only hope. If you don't drink the serum in the next 5 minutes, you'll stay a dino! Forever!
Huh, well, we better go.
Stay right here. I'm gonna be right back with the serum. The serum! Okay, the serum. If I was serum, where would I be? I don't know. Serum, I can't find you!
Did you get it, Park Ranger AJ? I'm not feeling like myself.
I don't know, I've checked everywhere except the fridge. Oh, the fridge. Aha! Park Ranger Andy, I got the serum! Park Ranger Andy? Park Ranger Andy? Where is he? Park Ranger Andy, where are you? I know it's you. Your emergency donut. I know you love them. Go get him, Andysaurus! Oh, that was the last of the dinosaur DNA reversal serum. Think, what would Park Ranger Andy do? Well, if he wasn't a dinosaur. He would use this. I've got an idea. What wouldn't he use? The dino remote control. Now, where was it?
Look what I found! Your dino remote that we're probably not gonna use. Let's go.
That's it! If I can make it back to the T-Rex 1, I can grab the remote control and use it to rewind Andysaurus back to before he drank the dinosaur DNA! There he is. Hope he doesn't see me. He noticed. It worked! Rewind! Pause! Play! Andysaurus! Park Ranger Andy, you've got to drink this dinosaur reversal serum!
Oh no! I learned my lesson. I'm not drinking any more mystery drinks. Okay, give it to me. Wow. It's a good thing we caught it before it turned into a dinosaur.
Yeah, definitely. Good thing.
You know, Park Ranger, we learned a valuable lesson today. Always be prepared.
And let this be another Park Ranger lesson. Never drink mysterious liquids out of mysterious containers.
You said it. Lesson learned.
You know, we never tested that serum before. I'm glad it worked.
Oh yeah, it worked perfectly.
What a day! Gorgeous and uneventful. Ooh, Park Ranger Andy.
Park Ranger Andy, so glad I caught you.
Hey, Park Ranger AJ.
I've got some bad news.
Bad news.
Yeah, one of the dino eggs went missing. The Dino Master took it. He left a clue in the incubator. Park Rangers, the time has come. If you dare follow the crumbs through marine and land of Santa Barbara's past, or witness the rise of the Dino Master at last. Santa Barbara's past. Marine and land, so nature? Park Ranger Andy, I've got it. There's only one place it could be. The Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History.
The Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History? Where's that?
Park Ranger Andy, it's in Santa Barbara.
Hey, I'm in Santa Barbara. I could try to go find it, but I'm on foot. It could be anywhere. Well, I'm gonna go look for it and I'll call you back. The Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History? That could be anywhere. Well, that's convenient. No clues here, but some fancy footwork. This is hopeless. I can't find anything anywhere. Gotta call Park Ranger AJ. I need some help. Hey, Park Ranger AJ, I need help.
On it. Park Ranger Andy, I found the next clue. Do you want me to read it?
Yes, please.
The next riddle lies beyond the creek, just past the Dino Forest. Go on, take a peek.
Head where? Head where?
Hold on, I'm not done. Where boulders lay as they did back in the day. Just past the Dino Forest, where boulders lay. How close are you to Backyard Creek? That's where the next clue is.
I'm in Backyard Creek. There's nothing here but me, some water, and a clue.
A clue? Park Ranger Andy, that's it!
Oh, wait, hold on a second. I think I got it.
Well, what does it say?
Nip, snick, hump, snip. No, wait a minute. Oh, when the Backyard Creek has been explored and you've looked all about, find the next clue to where the dinosaur skeletons hang out. Dinosaur skeletons hang out? Where could that be?
I'll triangulate some potential locations of dinosaur skeletons. Hang tight. This place is a prehistoric forest with dinos.
Yes?
But they're not skeletons. The blue whale skeleton, very interesting.
Yes, yes?
But that can't be it either. It's a skeleton, but not a dino. Did you know the blue whale eats up to 16 tons of plankton a day?
No!
Okay, so it's not the prehistoric forest and it's not the blue whale skeleton. That leaves the paleo dig!
The paleo dig? The paleo dig. Great job, Park Ranger AJ. I'm on my way. Ah, the paleo dig, where paleontologists go to discover buried dinosaur bones. Time for me to do a little discovering myself. Oh. All these bones and no clue. Like looking for a noodle in a haystack. If you want the story to tell your mama, go visit the spot where animals hang out in dioramas. Where's that diorama around here? Diorama. Park Ranger AJ would know.
Hello?
Hey, Park Ranger AJ. I got the new clue.
Awesome, what did it say?
I need to know where there's a diorama.
Diorama? You sure it says diorama?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So it looks like there are dioramas.
Uh-huh.
In museums, they typically feature dinos and animals.
Yes, yes?
There are dioramas all the way on the other side of the museum.
No.
You can cut through the prehistoric forest.
Thanks so much. There's dioramas everywhere. I don't even know where to begin. The California sea lion. I need your help to see. I ain't lying. All right, I gotta stop. I gotta think. I gotta clear my brain. Maybe I should just read and calm down. Then I'll be able to think clearly. All right, so let's learn a little about you. Like what's for dinner? Let's see what you eat. California sea lions can eat from 15 to 40 pounds of anchovies, squid, clams, and various small fish every day. Sounds like the pizza I had last night. Wait a minute. Mr. Sea Lion. You got a thing from Dino Master. I think it's the clue. It is the clue. Thank you, buddy. Park Ranger AJ, I got the clue.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, what does it say? Can you read it?
Sure, I can read it. You know I can read. Many flock here to see seals that lounge and roam. But to find the egg, you must seek out the ancient animal that once called the Channel Islands home.
Channel Islands? Home? What does that mean?
I have no idea what that means. Who called the Channel Islands home?
Okay, give me a sec to look it up.
Oh, yeah, go away. I'm gonna hang out with my pal. Park Ranger AJ's got this. Watch.
Got it! The ancient mammal that called the Channel Islands home was the pygmy mammoth. And the Santa Barbara Museum is home to the most completed pygmy mammoth skeleton ever found. Whoa! It's about 12,840 years old.
The Pygmy Mammoth exhibit? I know right where that is. Thanks a lot, Park Ranger AJ. Gotta go. Okay, the Pygmy Mammoth room. The Pygmy... Oh, there it is, the Pygmy Mammoth. I mean, that's so cool. Oh, and so is this. It hasn't even been dug up yet. I mean, this is amazing. I know I'm supposed to be looking for something, but this is too exciting to me. I mean, just look at this. Look at this dig site, and these ribs, and these bones, and these tusks, and the missing dino egg. Missing dino egg? Oh, great paleo egg finder. I think I did it. Thank you. Good luck, Pygmy Mammoth. Park Ranger AJ, I found the egg. The Dino Master's been foiled again by the genius of the Park Rangers.
Yeah, the Dino Master's got nothing on us, but we're not in the clear yet. So here's what we've got to do. First, is there a secure spot around there?
Uh-huh.
And you're connected to Wi-Fi?
Uh-huh.
Open up your Alexa app. Yup, now use the Dino Transport gadget to transport the egg back to Dino HQ.
You got it, Park Ranger AJ. I'll do it right now. Yoo-hoo, Alexa.
How can I help you?
Please use a Dino Transport to transport this egg back to T-Rex Ranch.
My pleasure.
Hey, it worked.
I hope you used the right app. He did it! Great job, Park Ranger Andy.
I don't feel like walking. Yoo-hoo, Alexa.
Hello, Park Ranger.
Can you use a Dino Transport to transport me back to T-Rex Ranch?
Let me think about that.
Thanks. I hope this works. I don't think that's one of ours.
That's because we're not in T-Rex Ranch.
Where are we?
We're at the Harupa Mountains Discovery Center.
I bet there's more dinos inside.
Let's
go discover! Hey, AJ, are you familiar with the legend of the Harupa Mountain Mammoth?
No, what is it?
They say a mammoth named Eddie guards this very valley and brings luck to anyone who finds him. Should we go look?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go! Dino challenge, which one?
Oh, please, Triceratops.
What's this one?
Pterodactyl or Pteranodon.
Looks like he had a rough night.
Dimetrodon. Ankylosaurus.
Pretty good.
Torosaurus. Triceratops. Pachyrhinosaurus.
Impressed.
Hamalosaurus.
Dinosaurs? That doesn't seem right.
Diplodocus.
Sounds Greek.
Not a Greek dinosaur.
Hey, you know, AJ, if we're gonna look for Eddie, we need to know what to look for.
Good point. Maybe that guy'll help us.
Oh yeah, he looks smart. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Park Ranger AJ.
Nice to meet you.
Park Ranger Andy.
Hello, I'm Dino Dave.
Dino Dave.
That's our kind of guy.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Harupa Mountains Discovery Center. Right now, we're in front of our Earth Science Museum. Inside, we have some fossils through time. You guys excited to see some fossils?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Great. Whoa. Look at all this stuff.
I don't know where to begin.
I do. Follow me. So let's begin in the depths of our ocean. Here, on to your right, we have ammonites. They were these squids that lived inside these shells. Now they lived amongst, well, fish and other aquatic life, like you see here on our fish wall.
Cool!
Stuck in the Green River Formation, within these sediment layers, we can uncover a lot of evidence of these living organisms.
How do you find fossils?
Well, you just gotta survey the land and dig throughout the sediment layers and be extra careful. Fossils are very fragile.
So these are found on land where the oceans used to be.
Either used to be or were pushed onto land.
What's that?
Well, that is a head of a fish that grew up 20 to 25 feet long.
Need to find that in a swimming pool.
Welcome to the Botanical Gardens.
It's a cactus!
Good point.
Now here we have the California cholla, also known as the jumping cactus.
Tell us about it.
Well, these little barbs are so hooked at a microscopic level that even a tiny brush could just really hook into you.
Okay. I'm gonna back away now.
Oh, well, we go see some other cactuses, right?
Good idea.
And we have things that are more terrestrial, things that kind of like to walk their way onto land.
Is that a turtle?
That is. This is a protostega. It's kind of like an aquatic sea turtle, or an ancient kind, if you want to think of it that way. Kind of neat, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you can find all sorts of remains of living critters, like,
Oh, what's that?
oh, that's dinosaur poop.
Fossilized dino poop! Ew!
Yes, fossilized poop. You know, you can find a lot of information about dinosaur poop. Usually the color in the fossilized poop can tell you if it's a protein diet or a plant diet.
How do you tell that?
Well, we know that meat's kind of red with iron. Well, if you look into the coprolite here, or the fossilized poop, you can see a little bit of red going on. So a lot of these are remains of carnivorous dinosaurs.
How are fossils formed?
When organic matter is buried and protected underneath the sediment layers, the minerals in the surrounding sediment kind of seep in with the help of water. So as the organic material leaves its body and gets recycled into the environment, the minerals take its place.
What's this thing?
Well, that kind of looks like a cluster of raptor and bone. Paleontologists have to dig out each digit and each bone very carefully in order to, well, showcase it here in a museum.
Cool.
Yeah, here's Protoceratops stuck within its matrix. We can lean on over to meat-eating dinosaurs, such an Allosaurus, a three-claw predator.
We're familiar.
This is cool.
And this is our Allosaurus.
Oh. I don't see it.
Well, you gotta dig for it.
Dig for it?
Yes, dig for it. Under this sand, we speculate there's an entire Allosaurus skeleton. We're gonna uncover it using these tools.
Cool.
Whoa, teeth!
Whoa.
Yeah, these teeth belong to an Allosaurus.
Whoa, I think we found the head.
As long as you keep pulling towards you, we can uncover large bodies of it.
Did you find something, AJ?
Yeah.
Looks like we found some ribs over here.
Oh, good, I'm starving.
The brush?
Park Ranger AJ, what do you think this is?
I don't know, maybe the hip?
Come check it out.
If this is the hip, there must be legs.
I think you're right, Park Ranger AJ.
We gotta
I think you're
uncover
right.
this. I found another part of the rib cage.
Well done, Park Ranger AJ.
Thanks, Park Ranger Andy. Oh, another piece.
There's a lot here.
Another.
Sure does look like an Allosaurus we know. Gotta be very gentle when you're getting this close, huh?
Yeah. This is the most fun I've had in a long time.
I love discovering things. Woo! Success!
Well, actually, we're only about 25% done here.
25%? That would be at least a quarter done.
And leading out of the dinosaur era, we get the Pleistocene or the Ice Age era, the rise of mammals, like this cave bear, for example. And we have mastodons, or Columbian and woolly mammoths. Here is a tusk we found here in the Harupa Valley. Marvelous thing. Very splintery, but as you can see, still preserved within the cast mold in which it was dug. The Columbian mammoth, most notable here, is called Edward, and this is Edward's tusk. Now, Edward is a Columbian species, so he traveled all the way North America, all the way down here to the Harupa Valley.
So they roam this very valley?
Yes, and if you keep your eyes peeled, you might just see one here at the Discovery Center.
Dad and Dave said if we look hard enough, we can find a mammoth.
Well, then we gotta look harder!
Yeah!
Park Ranger AJ! Park Ranger AJ! Where is that kid? So, what do you know about mammoths, AJ?
Well, I know they're the ancestors of elephants, and they're 2 stories tall, and that's all I know.
It's good enough for now. We're on an adventure!
Yeah!
What's that in the background? Look!
A mammoth!
Is that the mammoth? Let's go see.
We made it! There he is, Eddie the Columbian mammoth.
Awesome!
For a pretty awesome day.
You said it.
Well, I guess this is the end.
No, this is the end.
Har har.
Name this one, Park Ranger.
All right, you got me.
Abraham Lincolnosaurus.
I don't see it.
What's your favorite dinosaur to feed?
Well, I like the Stegosaurus because it's so gentle and eats the veggies right out of your hand.
Yeah. Well, how about your least favorite dinosaur to feed?
Oh, I've got to say the raptors. They're look at you with those claws like your dinner.
Yeah, and I feel like if they ate you, they would burp after. Rude and scary. That's why I brought us here to the Ojai Raptor.
Raptors!
It's okay, it's okay. We're gonna learn. We're gonna learn about raptors today, and we're gonna learn maybe how to take care of them for when we go back to T-Rex range.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
It's fine. Let's go.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Park Ranger Andy. This is Park Ranger AJ.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Jacqueline from the Ojai Raptor Center.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Yeah, we're a wildlife rehabilitation facility. Specialize in wildlife, but raptors specifically. And we take in about 1,000 injured, sick, and orphaned raptors a year. And as wildlife rehabilitators, our main goal is to make them well again and release them back to the wild where they belong.
Back into the wild? All those raptors? Out in the wild?
Yeah, birds of prey.
All right! Birds! Of course you're talking about birds, right? Yeah! We know you're not talking about dinosaurs.
Yeah,
That'd be ridiculous
no way.
if you're talking about dinosaurs. You can't
Yeah.
release them out in the wild. They'd have to be in like a ranch or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't exist though, right?
Right. So yeah, we consider owls, hawks, falcons, eagles, and vultures here. We consider all of those birds to be raptors. So actually, we're getting into our busiest season here in all of wildlife rehabilitation, where we receive lots of babies that have been separated from their parents. Usually their nests have been destroyed, and they need to be raised by people in captivity. But we have to make sure that they maintain their natural fear of humans in order for them to be successful once we release them back to the wild. So we have to make sure they don't become too comfortable with humans or see humans as their friends or anything. So we cover our features, we disguise ourselves, and we feed them actually with a fake owl so they never get too used to humans. Do you guys want to help me feed the orphans?
Yeah, I love playing dress up.
Okay, here are your suits. So you're gonna put these on because again, these are not pets, these are wild animals, and we have to make sure that the baby owls don't get used to seeing people. So we're gonna put these on to disguise our features, and then we're gonna go feed the baby owls little pieces of food because they're too young to eat by themselves.
Okay.
This will be easy peasy.
Yeah.
Okay, Ranger AJ, you look like you're all set. You got your G-lay suit on.
Yes.
Ready to go inside the hospital and feed?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to make sure that we're very, very quiet when we go inside the hospital, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
I'll be right behind you. It'll be really quiet.
Wow, that whole thing was amazing.
And done.
You missed it.
I missed what? I'm all ready to go.
Well, there were 3 baby owls, and the one on the right was really hungry, and we kept feeding him, and the one on the left was kind of shy, but they were all so cute.
I missed it.
Well, do you want to see some other birds? So some of our birds are unfortunately not releasable to the wild, and we train them to become ambassadors for their species. So would you like to meet some of our non-releasable ambassador raptors?
I would love to. I'd love to see something. I can't see anything.
Hi AJ, hi Andy. I'm Kimberly here with our ambassador burrowing owl Topper.
Hi, Topper.
Hi, Topper. Is that a baby?
No, actually, he's full grown. He's about 7 years old. As with dinosaurs, raptors come in all shapes and sizes, and as a matter of fact, about half of the owls in North America are small owls like Topper or even smaller.
His eyes just pierce right through your soul.
I know, his eyes are pretty amazing, right? All raptor eyes are pretty amazing.
Amazing. I've never seen that color yellow on an eye before.
And actually, some of the things in his eyes are related to why we have Topper.
What do you mean?
So, well, with all of our ambassadors, they can't survive in the wild. That's why they live with us as ambassadors. And Topper came to us after having a head injury, and he has some damage to his eyes as well. That's why he can't survive in the wild.
So he's a burrowing owl?
Yes, he is.
What's that mean?
Well, although we think of most birds and most owls living mostly in the sky or up high in trees, these guys spend most of their life on the ground, and they actually nest underground. Although these guys are a predator like other raptors, the small raptors are both predator and prey. So basically anything big enough to hunt him, including other raptors, will hunt them. They're also endangered by dogs, feral cats, raccoons, and snakes. So they actually have a super cool way to help protect themselves from predators. When they're feeling threatened or when the babies are in the burrow and feel threatened, they actually make a sound like a rattlesnake. And that wards off most predators. And for the babies, it makes their parents come back home to protect them.
So if there's a fight between the owl and a rattlesnake, who's gonna win?
Well, that's a tough call. A burrowing owl couldn't actually fight off a rattlesnake the way that a red-tailed hawk or a great horned owl could catch one, but they might be able to ward it off with their snake sounds and otherwise just do something that's called mobbing when they fly at a potential predator to just scare it off.
Are they friendly with other owls of their same kind?
That's a great question.
Okay, good.
So because many of their hosts live in colonies, burrowing owls tend to also be colonial. So they can nest just with one pair, but in the past they've actually had populations of thousands of burrowing owls in one place because we had such huge colonies of prairie dogs.
Is it true owls can spin their heads all the way around?
Well, they can't quite spin their heads 360 degrees all the way around. However, owls and other raptors can look completely over their shoulder. So Topper can turn his head from looking straight at you all the way to looking over his shoulder. It's about 140 degrees. Well, Topper's getting a little tired, so I need to take him home. But Jacqueline is ready to introduce you to another of our super cool ambassador raptors. I think you're gonna love it.
Well, I'll be glad to see it. So what's the owl thing?
Who?
The owl.
Who?
I'm asking about the owl.
Who? The owl says who?
Said what?
Who?
What?
Who?
I don't get it.
Good job. This is Rosie, and she is our non-releasable red-tailed hawk ambassador.
Why did you guys name her Rosie?
That's a good question. So we named Rosie Rosie because her beautiful red tail, that red-tailed hawks, which is her species, what they're known for. A little side note for you, red-tailed hawks don't actually get their red tail until they're about 2 years old or just before, once they become mature. So if you see a juvenile red-tailed hawk, they'll have a brown and tan striped tail.
You know, I named my bathtub Rosie.
Why'd you name your bathtub Rosie?
Well, every time I don't clean it, I get a ring around the Rosie.
We've had Rosie for 17 years. She came to us when she was only 1 year old, so she was a juvenile with a broken wing in her right wing, actually, in her shoulder. She can't fly well enough to be released to the wild, so that's why we have her. I think there's some confusion about velociraptors and raptors. Raptors are birds of prey. So it's a group of different birds that are predators and they're hunters, and they have sharp hooked beaks and claw-like talons that allow them to hunt and eat other animals. So here at the Raptor Center, we consider hawks, falcons, eagles, owls, and vultures all to be raptors.
So they lay eggs like dinosaurs.
Yes, exactly. They lay eggs just like dinosaurs. Velociraptors are dinosaurs that were really small and fast that lived between 70 and 90 million years ago. And when paleontologists discovered their fossils for the first time in about the 1920s, they named them velociraptors, which that word actually translates to fast birds of prey, because anatomically or structurally, they're really similar to modern birds of prey, specifically that sharp hooked talon that velociraptors had in their hind foot. But velociraptors were always dinosaurs and raptors were always birds of prey. All birds have actually evolved from dinosaurs. So during the Cretaceous period, this is when most dinosaurs went extinct, there was a very small number of avian dinosaurs, basically bird-like dinosaurs of the theropod group of dinosaurs. So actually, T-Rex was in this group, but only the small theropods survived into the almost 11,000 species of birds that we have on our planet today.
Did they evolve from meat-eating dinosaurs?
Yes, they did. Velociraptors were meat-eating predators like modern-day birds of prey.
So he only eats meat.
These birds only eat meat. They cannot process anything else, so they are only able to digest raw meat.
No veggies. Bird after my own heart.
Right, no veggies.
They must be similar to dinosaurs in other ways then. Some dinosaurs supposedly had feathers.
Yes, velociraptors and theropods definitely had feathers, and they're starting to think that perhaps all dinosaurs had feathers, as a matter of fact, although none of them actually use them to fly.
Like chickens.
Exactly. Well, chickens can fly a little bit. Yeah, chickens can fly if they need to.
Penguins.
Like penguins, exactly. Yes, to keep them warm, but not really for the function of flight.
So they have hollow bones like the Allosaurus.
That's a very good question, yes. So really all flighted birds have hollow bones. So larger birds that don't fly, and even smaller birds like penguins, birds that don't fly, have fused bones that are filled with marrow and blood just like ours. But all birds that fly have hollow or pneumatic bones, and their dinosaur ancestors did as well. So thanks so much for coming today. I hope you guys learned something new.
We learned so much.
So much.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks.
Was that a rattlesnake?
Or a burrowing owl.
I don't know, but I don't want to find out.
Well, if we are, we're using your legs.
My legs? That's not fair. Goodbye, thanks a lot.